Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually set up your card thing on Spotify. Now it's very easy, let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Spotify and grab your card thing. Now from here we go to the top left corner where your icon appears, your profile picture. Now from here we go down to the settings and privacy. And here we scroll down until we find the car right below devices in the middle. Now, as you can see here is the setup car thing option. Now we press it and it will take you to set up your car thing. Now from here we all go down to the button where it says begin setup. Now from there we begin the setup, and the first thing that you want to do is open up your settings and tap on Bluetooth. Now what you will do right now is head down to your application settings, right here, your settings, and go down to Bluetooth. Now what you will do is you will open up your car thing, you will turn it on, and the car thing should appear on other devices. Now from there you connect it and the pairing request starts. Now here you return to the Spotify application and set up your car thing. That's everything you need to know. Now if you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below and leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.